Yo, alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be making a mango mousse. This recipe is simple, so it can be made fast when you have guests around the corner. It's a dessert that's fresh and vibrant. To make mango mousse, we obviously need mangoes. We need 3 of them sliced just like that. We need 3 teaspoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of gelatin, 100 ml fresh cream, a bit of mint to decorate. That's it really. So firstly what we need is sliced mangoes. So in it goes. Come on mangoes. In it goes, yeah, finally. Then we need to pick up the sugar and add it into the grinder. Now onto the gelatin. That's not the gelatin. Yeah, that's the gelatin. The key is that you need to add 3 tablespoons of water and melt in the microwave for approximately a minute and a half. Once it's grinded and pureed, add into the bowls. Make sure you flatten them out and evenly refrigerate them for 2 hours whilst we prepare for the fresh cream layer. This step is super simple. Add the sugar and whisk it and mix it. Voila, it's done. Take the cream layer and add on top of the mango layer. Then decorate it with mint and fresh mangoes. And there you have guys, it's an easy peasy way to make mango mousse. Here's the recipe, make sure you try it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Until next time, ta-da.